In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delegate a signature using DocuSign, an essential tool for managing electronic signatures and agreements efficiently. Whether you're handling contracts or need someone else to sign on your behalf, DocuSign makes it straightforward and secure. So, let's dive into the steps to delegate a signature in DocuSign smoothly. First, to get started, you'll want to go to the DocuSign website. Simply open your web browser and type in the DocuSign URL, or click on the link provided if you're watching this online. DocuSign is renowned for being the #1 service in electronic signature management, known for its reliability and user-friendly interface. Once you're on the DocuSign homepage, locate the Login button, typically found in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up to proceed. After logging in, you'll be directed to the DocuSign homepage, which acts as your central dashboard for managing all your documents. Now let's move to the next step. On the DocuSign home, navigate to your profile by clicking on your account avatar or name, usually located at the top of the page. This will open a drop-down menu where you'll find various user options. From this menu, click on Profile to access your account settings. Next, we want to focus on configuring the delegation settings. In your profile settings, look for the My Preferences option. It's here you can customize various aspects of your account, including delegation settings, which is exactly what we need at this point. Once you've opened My Preferences, find and click on the Delegation tab. This is where we can start the process of adding a delegate, someone who can sign documents on your behalf. The delegation feature is particularly handy for administrators or busy professionals who frequently need others to handle signing tasks. In the delegation section, there should be an option labeled Add Delegate. Click on this to begin specifying who you want to delegate signing authority to. You'll need the details of the person you're assigning as your delegate, such as their name and email address. Enter these details carefully to ensure they can access what they need without issues, and that's it. With these steps, you've successfully learned how to delegate signature authority using DocuSign. This feature is a game changer for both personal and business use, allowing you to streamline your workflow and improve efficiency. Thank you for watching, and remember to explore more of DocuSign's features to fully leverage its capabilities.